Welcome back to another episode of Health Insurance Unraveled. I'm your host, Travis Dahlman. I'm a licensed Medicare broker based out of Wisconsin. Today, we are going to cover three different main terms that are used under pretty much every insurance policy out there. I get a lot of questions about what the difference between them are, which one you have to meet first. So let's begin here. Today, we are going to cover the difference between a deductible, a copay, and a coinsurance. Like I said, most policies out there have these listed on them. Sometimes you have a $0 copay or a $0 deductible, but they're still affiliated with your policy. So, to begin with, the deductible, what that is and how it affects you specifically at this time of the year. Well, the deductible is the amount that you pay first. This is the amount that you, as the insurance recipient, has to pay before the insurance company starts paying their portion. Now, there are typically two different types of deductibles out there. There's a medical deductible and then a prescription drug deductible. If you have a prescription drug standalone policy, or if your prescription policy is built right into your Medicare Advantage policy, there still is sometimes a deductible affiliated with that drug policy built right into your Advantage plan. If you want to know what exactly your deductible is, you can reach out to myself, your health insurance broker, agent, whoever you're currently using, or contact the customer service number on the backside of your insurance card. So the medical deductible is the amount that you have to pay before the insurance starts paying their portion for doctor visits and such, as well as medical deductible falls under Part B. So if you have a deductible that you need to meet for medical expenses, and let's say you need to get oxygen or some type of durable medical equipment, that also falls under that medical deductible. Prescription drug deductible. Let's say you have a policy that says tier 3, 4, and 5 medications have a $300 deductible that you need to meet. So if you take some generic tier 1, tier 2 medications, you would just pay your copay or coinsurance for those. But if you do have a tier 3 deductible and later on you take a tier 3 medication, you would need to meet whatever that deductible is before the insurance company starts paying their portion. So once again, a deductible is the amount that you pay first as the insurance recipient before the insurance company starts paying their portion. Sometimes there are exclusions to the deductible, specifically under the medical deductible. You can always contact myself, your insurance agent broker, your customer service team under your current policy to be made aware of the fact that you may not have to meet your medical deductible for primary care visits, certain things done are covered before you have to meet that medical deductible. Contact your current insurance broker, myself, whoever it is that you utilize to help you with your health insurance, and they'll let you know exactly what you need to meet for that medical deductible as well as the prescription deductible if your policy does have one. Next, we're going to cover what happens after you meet that deductible. Do you have a co-payment or a co-insurance? A co-payment is very common under most policies out there, specifically Medicare Advantage policies or Medicare Part C. Those are set amounts. So if you have a $0 copay for your primary care doctor, 35, 45, 50, whatever it is for your specialist, those are copays. Copay is a set amount. It's a dollar amount that you specifically pay, so you know exactly what you're going to pay when you go in to see your doctor. Primary care physician, like I said, on your insurance card, it may say $0 copay next to PCP. PCP stands for primary care provider. So you may pay $0 for your primary care physician. It may say that you have $285 outpatient hospitalization copay. So that might be what you pay for outpatient hospitalization under your policy. Once again, if you ever want to know exactly what your copays may be, contact your insurance broker, myself, your customer service team. They'll let you know exactly what your copays for different hospitalization costs may be, primary specialist care, if you need to go to physical therapy, anything like that. If you do have a copay, it is going to be a set amount that you pay every time that you go in to have that procedure done or see a specific physician. A coinsurance, on the other hand, a coinsurance is a percentage of the cost. What that means is you are going to be responsible for a percentage of the cost. So, for example, we'll go back up to when I was talking about durable medical equipment. Typically, durable medical equipment is covered under Part B, normally a 20% coinsurance. So you're going to pay 20% of whatever that cost of that durable medical equipment is. There are some specific policies out there that says, hey, you can go to any physician you want in or out of network. However, you may have to pay a co-percentage or a co-insurance when you go to see doctors out of network, 50%, 30%, 20%, whatever your policy may indicate. So once again, a co-insurance is a percentage of the cost. A copay is the set amount. You pay these after you meet the deductible. You have to meet that deductible first. The deductible is not a copayment. It is not a co-insurance. I get that question a lot. The deductible is the amount that you pay before you pay a co-payment or co-insurance. Then once you meet your deductible, then the insurance picks up their portion. You pay your co-payment or co-insurance from that point forward. My name is Travis Dahlman. This has been Health Insurance Unraveled. Thank you for watching.